ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 आज हम भगवत गीता का 18वां अध्याय 14वां श्लोक है। ये निश्चयात्मक हमारे लिए अंतिम उपदेश के रूप में बताया गया है कि जो हम लोग सॉरी,
How many people don't understand Hindi? Please raise your hand. Don't understand. Okay, raise again. How many of you don't understand it in Hindi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
okay, you suffer.
Okay, I requested Guru Maharaj to give Hindi and English both mixed.
तो हमने हिंदी में चालू कर दिया, गुनाह हमारा निकल गए भाई। ओके, हैं?
Hindi?
Okay, I will speak in English.
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
No, थोड़ा थोड़ा। समझना है तो समझ लो, नहीं तो राम राम। परीक्षित, तू तो समझेगा ही नहीं ना, हैं? नहीं, उसका डंडा मार के सुनाना पड़ेगा। ओ, आ गया, परमिशन मिल गई। अरे माता, शादीशुदा को ये मारपीट नहीं होती हैं? ये तो मेरा बच्चा है, हैं? बच्चे की तरह सुलाना पड़ता है। ओके, सो this is the conclusion, the perfection of renunciation. Every day we are talking that please do not get entangled too much in this material world. Everybody should do most minimum which is required, engage it in it. But overindulgence will be cause of trouble. और ऐसा नहीं कि सबको ज्ञान होना ही चाहिए इन चीज़ों का, नहीं। भगवान ने ऐसी सृजन कराया है कि हम अहंकार की वजह से हम अपने आप को ज़्यादा समझने लगते हैं, तो उसे फायदा नहीं। What we are, we do not see actually who we are, but we think we are somebody. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told us to become nobody. Why? Because you are a little controller. You are not big controller. Paramatma is big controller. So the question was arisen, what are the 5 reasons for getting the fruit of one work? One's work is bringing fruit, but as you work, you won't get it. There are 5 reasons that brings the result. So you are not the doer. 4 अलग चीजें हैं जो काम करती है, तो अकेला एक ही 5 में से एक। व्हाट इज योर, अपनी हैसियत क्या होती है, कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, व्हाट इज अवर प्राइड इन इट दैट आई एम द डूअर। ये अहंकार को स्मैश करने वाला है। It will smash our false ego. So, Krishna is telling, you repeat after me, Adhisthanam तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैवं चैवात्र पंचमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैव चैवात्र पंचमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैव चैवात्र पंचमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
मतः
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता
करणं च पृथग्विधं
करणं च पृथग्विधं
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
विविधाश्च पृथक्चेष्टा
दैवं चैवित्र पञ्चमम्
दैवं चैवात्र पञ्चमम्
अधिष्ठानं
अधिष्ठानं
the place tatha also karta the worker karanam instruments cha and prathak vidham of different kinds vividaha various cha and prathak separate chestaha the endeavors daivam the supreme cha also eva certainly atra here panchamam the fifth. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The place of action means the body, the performer, the various senses, and many different kinds of endeavor, and ultimately the super soul. These are the 5 factors of an action. हम जो कोई कर्म करते हैं उसके लिए 5 कारण हैं. हम ही एक अकेले नहीं हैं. ये शरीर भी तो है, वो क्षेत्र कहलाता है या जहाँ से हम कर्म कर सकते हैं. कर्ता यानी कि जो आत्मा अपने को कर्ता मानती है, मैं कर रहा हूँ. तो वेरियस सेंसेस, हमारी बहुत सारी इंद्रियां हैं जिसके द्वारा हम कर सकते. इंद्रियां न होती तो हम कर्म करते ही नहीं. तो अलग अलग प्रकार के कर्म होते हैं। ज़्यादातर कोई सत्वगुण का कर्म होता है, कोई रजोगुण का कर्म होता है, कोई तमोगुण का कर्म होता है। अंत में तो परमात्मा बैठा है, वो भी कारणभूत है। हमारे कर्मों में जो फल मिलते हैं उसके 5 कारण हैं। मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, इसलिए लड़ाई झगड़ाई मत करना। हाँ, मैंने किया नहीं। अंतिम तो अपने हृदय में परमात्मा बसे रहे। तेरे में परमात्मा बस रहा है, कोई अलग नहीं है, उसमें ही वही परमात्मा बस रहा है। हाँ, हर एक के जीव में। तो the place of action, the body, the performer, the various senses, and many different kinds of endeavor, and ultimately the super soul. These are the 5 factors of an action. यानी कि हमें जो परिणाम पर आधार रखना है तो 5 पर आधार रखना। अकेले हम तो दादागिरी करते, मैंने किया है। हाँ, अहंकार से हम बोलते हैं कि ये मेरा है, मैंने किया है। तेरा कहाँ है भाई? 5 कारण है। तो हमें बहुत विनम्रता धारण करनी पड़ती है। हाँ, बेहतर है जो कुछ करे यदि भगवान की प्रीति के लिए करे तो ये सारा अहंकार टूट जाएगा। हाँ, the word adhishthanam refers to the body. The soul within the body is acting to bring about the results of activity and is therefore known as karta, the doer. That the soul is the knower and the doer is stated in Shruti. Esha hi drashta srashta, Prashna Upanishad, 4th chapter, 9th verse. It is also confirmed in the Vedanta Sutra by the words Gno ta eva and karta शास्त्र तत्वात्। ये दोनों वेदांत सूत्र के दूसरे स्कंद के 3रे अध्याय और 18वां और 33वां 2 श्लोक है। The instrument of action are the senses, and the senses and the soul acts in various ways. For each and every action there is a different endeavor, but all one's activities depend on the will of the Supreme Soul or Super Soul, who is seated within the heart of as a friend. The Supreme Lord is the super cause. Under these circumstances, he who is acting in Krishna consciousness under the direction of the Super Soul situated within the heart is naturally not bound by any activity. Those in complete Krishna consciousness are not ultimately responsible for their actions. Everything is dependent on the Supreme Will, the Super Soul, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana-salakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manopistam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Jutapadakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavasya Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे अधिष्ठानम तथा कर्ता करणम च पृथक विदम विविधाश्च पृथक चेष्टा दैव चैवात्र पंचमम। हर एक व्यक्ति सोच ले अहंकार की वजह से अज्ञानता की वजह से हम लोग अपने आप को कर्ता मान बैठते हैं। एक कर्ता दूसरे कर्ता के साथ झगड़ता है, मैंने किया। जब मृत्यु होती है तो मैंने क्या किया कोई पूछने वाला नहीं होगा। सब कुछ यहाँ समेट के जाना पड़ेगा। So the idea is that to think oneself as the doer is the biggest mistake. प्रकृते क्रियमाणानि गुणै कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकारम इति मूढ़ात्मा कर्तारम इति मन्यते। अहंकार से विमूढ़ बनता है, वो अपने आप को कर्ता क्यों मानता है? आप if you make a business, you have 20%, investment, you have 20% investment. So there are 5 equal partners. But if Krishna is also putting only 20%, actually it belongs everything to him. So he is 100%. But vimudha, vimud means, mood means full, vimud means damn full. Amma, Hare Krishna. This is the point. I may be a fool, but I am not damn fool. At least we should understand that this is our real position. हम गलती कर सकते हैं, मूर्ख है ना, 4 डिफेक्ट है तो मूर्ख होंगे ही ना। So, most important thing is that we have to understand sum total of ourselves. But if we ignore even our own defects, then we are not better than animals. At least animals do not have false ego. Animals do not have false ego because they are controlled by Prakriti. But we bypass Prakriti, we violate the rules and regulations of Mother Nature. Mother Nature works under jurisdiction of Lord Shri Krishna. But we violate that. Prabhupada says, if a cow passes through a red light, does he going to get a ticket? No. But if you pass through red light, you will get a ticket. You have to obey the laws of the nature, what to speak, man-made laws also. Why? Because man is going beyond his boundary, doesn't want to live naturally. He wants to become Lord and Master. But every living entity, and especially even demons also think the same way. I am the Lord and Master of whatever I serve. That is very demoniac nature. What is our significance in this whole material world, or a little patal lok called New Zealand? Huh? What is our size? Huh? You cannot be finding your dot even. But yet, our ego is so high that we fail to understand the reality. At no time one should become obsessed with that I am the doer. Even if you become victorious, you are forbidden to think that you are the doer. So those who are, not knowledgeable about this truth that Krishna is revealing, then they can't understand. They simply, each other's ego is striking against each other. And therefore it will be, tough. Everybody will be in problem. So atheism begins on the basis of survival of the fittest. That is atheism. By hook or crook. So the point is, we are not the doer. Arjuna was taught in the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita that you should know what action is, what inaction is. Inaction. Even while working, you become inactive or inaction if you remain aloof from the result of your action. Right? So, akarma. Karma, akarma, or vikarma. 3 things have to be known. Here, karma has 5 factors. So the result will be also attributed to the 5 factors. Right? And say, if they are equally responsible, 20%, 20%, okay, 5 means 100%. So you should use it, use the results equally distributed too. You can use 20% for your maintenance of the body, the field of activity. Okay? The field of activity. You can use the result 20%. But 20% for karta means self-realization. Use it. Another thing, use 20% for material nature, the 3 gunas which are responsible, prathak chesta. All right? And use 20% for the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is overseer of everything. So in this way, divide. But then we see there are 4 important, factors that contribute in the field of activity. That is, responsibility is also there. So for example, Rupa Goswami says that the energy of activity belongs to Lord Krishna. It is not your own. but He is allowing you to use so you can take care of the responsibility of the field of activity, participants in the field of activity, that means wife and children also. But there are two factors which are governed by Krishna. That is the modes of material nature under his supervision and his permission. He is allowing us his energy. So divide 25-25, means 50-50 division. And divide into 4 sections. Okay, you can take the result of your activity 50% and set aside for 50% for Krishna. Okay? And from that 50%, divide again 25-25. You can give 25% to your wife to maintain the household activities of Adarsha Grasthashram. Because you think you are the doer, karta, okay, you can take your share 25%, but keep it for further investment. Use 25% of Krishna's portion for developing Krishna consciousness in the family. Go for pilgrimage, go for having sadhu sangha. All of you have come. It was not free. You must have burnt some gas, right? All the way from Palmerston North. Right? So you can use that money of 25% belonging to Krishna in service of Krishna. All right? And this deity worship and everything, you can use it in. But keep 25% as the asset of Lord Krishna. Of course, everything is his. But still, make equal partnership because you think you are the karta. All right? So, if you want to increase your business, use that 25% reserve of Krishna and 25% of your reserve, invest. Again, 50-50. So in this way, every year your assets will be increasing, but assets belong to Krishna. Everything is manufactured by Krishna for you to interact with him with consciousness of his. So in this way, here there are 5 factors Krishna is telling for getting a result. Now, it is in details. Every time you will say, oh, I'm going to my job in office and every day, how do I relate these 5 factors? Adhishtanam, tatha karta, karanam, cha prathak vidam. 3 are right there. So, 4th is the modes of material nature. That is under control of Krishna and Krishna himself, the 5th factor. If you work in mode of goodness, won't it make a difference in your result than if you work in mode of ignorance? Everything is affecting. It's not simple that, okay, I throw the ball in front of the wall and the force, it will rebound back. No. This is called karma. It's not like Newton's law. But people understand at a very rudimentary level, like action and reaction. As you act, but as means what? As has five factors. That we ignore. But a devotee becomes aware. I am supposed to perform devotional service for pleasure of Krishna. And I will not be affected by the modes of material nature. So no interference. Activity performed for pleasure of Krishna is not called karma. It is called akarma. Okay? Akarma will liberate you. Karma will bind you. One that liberates is akarma. Yagyarthat karmano netralokoyam karma bandhana tadartham karma kaunte mukta sangha samachara. For the pleasure of Lord Vishnu, we must perform activity. And a devotee is bereft of false ego. So, how to smash ahankar? Krishna is challenging the ahankar first of all. Arjuna has ahankar, therefore he was thinking separately from Krishna, that I don't want to fight. He thinks he is more righteous than Krishna. Why should I fight with my elderlies? I will better become a beggar. And Krishna says, fool number one. Asocyananvasochastvam pragyavadansya bhashase gatasuna gatasunscha nanu sochanti pandita. You think you can talk like a pandit, but pandit never laments for those who are gone, neither rejoices those who are coming. So, it is not Krishna's consciousness. If we think separately that I am the doer, I am the doer. मैं करता हूँ, मैं घर चलाता हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ, ये लड़ाई झगड़ा। तूने पिछली साल कमाया नहीं, इसलिए यानी कि मैं ही करता रहा। No, it's a foolishness. Those who want to be devotees must become liberated from this maya, aham mameti. The root cause of aham mameti, aham mama iti, means I, me and mine. We expand our ignorance by telling this is I, the body, this is my disciple. Okay. No, mine, no. I, me and mine. What do you have? My toys, my books, my watch. Oh my God, it's bigger than your hand. Can you use this in Krishna service? Watch is for time, right? It shows you the time. And Krishna says, time I am. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Kalo aham asmi. Okay, so you should understand what is time. Prabhupada said, if you waste one moment, can you bring it back? Give $1,000. You can't bring 1 second back. So, use your time to go back home, back to Godhead, then you will not be put in problem again. Who's it? Not me. Okay, so time. Time is Krishna. Is it not? Krishna says it. Kalo aham asmi lokakshaya pravruddho aham. The time is very important. Are we living in a time of progress or regress? अरे बाबा ये सभा की तो मर्यादा रखो. We are here to utilize the best of the time to talk about the absolute truth. So this is not a waste of time. Do you know how to do time management? You have taught that lesson to us? Long time back. अरे जरा थोड़ी बार बोल दो. There are 4 quadrants of the time, right? What is most urgent and most important? What is most urgent but less important? Then what is less urgent and most important? Then there is no importance and no urgency. That is called waste. Now check how much waste quadrant that we are using. How much waste? Do you watch TV? पकड़ा गया ना. Watching TV means waste. If you watch Krishna, it's not waste. Okay, but if you watch or in computer or on phone, iPhone, do you have iPhone? No, but some other phone? Oh, they don't let people. You are wise, and they are also wise. But after a certain age, probably you will quarrel with them. Don't do. Because it's a waste. So, time management is very important. Because Krishna says, I am time. So, in the same way, Krishna says, I am simply giving you the energy which performs an activity. So karma brahmodbhavam viddhi. Karma is generated from Brahma. Brahman is the sum total energy of Lord Sri Krishna, both material as well as spiritual. So these 5 factors are responsible to yield a particular result. So when you manipulate them, you will get the result accordingly, not according to what you desire. Not according to what you desire. So, why we have to struggle to get a job of our liking, our desire, and we will end up accepting any damn thing instead. Yes. When I came to America, I didn't have a job. And I started a labor job, $2 an hour. That's peanuts, right? How much pocket money do you get? Eh? Not yet, or probably, I'm asking somebody. You get pocket money? Oh, you are supposed to earn yourself?
No, she asks daddy when she needs something.
But at the same time, when she will work, then she will not ask you.
Still there.
No, Guru Maharaj, they still ask.
Oh, yeah? Oh, because you must be taking the spent money behind.
That is in their bank account anyway.
Oh. But anyway, people need to use according to their desires. But the point is that somehow or another, this transformation of our work into the product of money or something that we want to spend. But where is our consciousness? It has not entered into this activity. But Krishna says, Daiva Chaivatra Panchamam. The fifth factor is the super consciousness of Krishna is involved in it. So you have to divide, you have to be respectful for all the factors. Not that you are the doer. Then actually it creates false ego. It has to be smashed. Because in front of our, say, later ages where we will be unable to execute our desires, Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi, Dukkha, Doshanu, Darshanam. So 4 things are there where we will not be able to execute our desires. We will have to totally dependent upon Him. Why Krishna has to take away during all miserable situations? Because false ego will be smashed. We are not the doers. We have to be instrument in the hand of Krishna. And Krishna will do because He has every bit of His energy, including ourselves, belong to Him. So His will should be done, not our will. If we impose our will to be done, then no. As a guideline to our young children, our will can be imposed because they should learn how to utilize their will. But ultimately, everything we have to do in presence of Krishna by following the recommendations, how to think that in front of Him, at least we will stop our false ego. Our reality is that we are subservient to His will. So, this particular chapter is giving Arjuna the last blow. Arjuna, I told you everything. Now you do whatever you think. Yes, I have explained you everything. Now do as you wish. Why would Krishna come to the conclusion, I have given you everything in the form of knowledge, the form of distinctions and whatever the results would be, just now do as you desire. Krishna doesn't steal away anybody's desire. He can help us to understand properly. But He will leave up to us. How do we utilize this knowledge to perfect our life? There is no imposition, no pressure. It's a voluntary acceptance of Krishna's will. Arjuna understood that on my own I am nobody. On my own I am nobody. I was thinking, I, me, mine, these are all extensions of bodily conception of life. Striyo punsan maithuni bhavam etat tayo ahu hridaya granthi atah griha kshetra apta vittaihi janasya mohoyam aham mameti. The moha of moha means ignorance. The soul should be liberated, instead becoming entangled is beginning with Maithuni Bhava. So, and that, what a deep concern about that Krishna is thinking this is the root cause. And we think it's an entertainment. That forces us to perform activities. We try to escape the vision of others. Well, I have my private life. But where is the privacy in front of all these factors? The field of activity, the karanam, karta. Karta thinks he wants to be private, but then chesta, endeavors. Everyone has a witness. So, we should be very thoughtful. Never think you are the doer, but if you think I'm supposed to do, there is no crime in it, but at the same time offer the result to Krishna. And you will escape the entanglement of it. And we start asking, how can I offer to Krishna Prabhu? And you can't say, give it to me. No. तेरी भी चुप मेरी भी चुप हमें दोनों को पैसे चाहिए
कृष्णा के लिए चाहिए दोनों को.
If we have resolve, we'll make it. Okay? Good. So, everything comes from Krishna, but we don't want to give him back. Arjuna can understand now. And he doesn't see any other recourse or cause other than Krishna. इसलिए सर्व कारण कारणम ईश्वरः परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिर आदिर गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम. Don't start Chintamani. So, this is a very important subject matter that we have to employ in our activities every day, in and out. Never think ourselves to be the karta. Yes, karanam means instrument, the senses. So you are also part and parcel of Krishna, become an instrument in the hand of Krishna. Nimitta matra bhava savyasachin. All right? So, anybody has any question? You can ask in Hindi.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, thank you so much for very Very nice lecture. So my question is, when something good happens, we should think that I'm not the doer. All these 5 factors are the contributing factors. But when something bad happens, the devotees are trained to think that it is because of my own karma, the result of my own karma. So how to think?
Do other way around. Take the credit and get in the mess. Or ignore it and you will become responsible for it. So, no. Good and bad both are same. Dvaite badra abadra sakali saman yahi bhalo yahi mand sab manodharma. Is it not? Mahaprabhu told. Look at that. Ye Bengali aa gaya. In this world of duality, what is good, what is bad, both are equal. It is our, misconception that this is good, that is bad. But these are all manodharmas, not intellectual dharma. Manodharma. Do you trust your mind? Is he the best of your friend? No. Probably the worst of the enemy. If we do not take any action to improvise ourselves. Can you take out that bhajan, Dushta Mana, Tukisera Vaishnava? Yeah.
Thank you very much for the wonderful lecture. In this particular shloka, Guru Maharaj, Krishna says, one of the reasons is Daivam, which is the Supreme Personality of Lord, who is residing within us. So when they do wrong things, they may say I'm not the doer. So the person, Krishna has inspired me or no, he made me do that. So he may blame it on...
That is Mayavad. Mayavadi are excuse mongers. They find excuses, they blame it to Krishna. Therefore, if they avoid responsibility, then they will never be approved. They will be entangled. Do you think they can escape the consequences? No.
They may be feeling cold for this.
No, I asked them to open, so they thought I was asking to close, so they closed it.
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Maharaj wrote beautiful bhajan. How to chastise that wicked mind.
Change हो गया. Yeah, I think it was slide हो गया.
Okay. Dustamana tumi kisera Vaishnava.
Dushamana tumi kisera Vaishnava.
Pratishtharatare nirjanera ghare. Pratishtharatare
Nirjanera ghare.
Tava harinama kevala kaitava. Dustamana किशिरा वैष्णव चलती में चलती है जडेर प्रतिष्ठा शुकरेर विष्ठा जानो न कथा मायर वैभव कनक कामिनी दिवस यामिनी भाविया की काज नित्य से सबा दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव तुम्हारा कनक भोगेरा जनक कनकेर द्वारे से बहु माधवा कामिनर कामा नहे तव धावा ताहर मालिक केवल यादवा दुष्टमान तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव प्रतिष्ठार तरु जड़ माया मारू ना पेला रावण युज्य राघव वैष्णवी प्रतिष्ठा ताहे करो निष्ठा ताहा न भजिले लबिबे रौरव दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव हरिजन द्वेषे प्रतिष्ठा सुखिलेश करो के नो तबे ताहार गौरव वैष्णवेरे पाछे प्रतिष्ठा स आचे ताते कबू नाहे अनित्य वैभव दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव से हरि संबंध शून्य माया गंध ताह कबू नोय जदेर कैतव प्रतिष्ठा चंडाली निर्जनता जाली उभय जानी हो माइक रौरव दुष्ट माना तुम्ही किसरा वैष्णव कीर्तन छरीब प्रतिष्ठा मगीब की काज दुदिया तस गौरव माधवेंद्र पुरी भवगर छुरी ना करिलो कबू सदाय जानिबा समाना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव तुम्हारा प्रतिष्ठा शुक्रे रविष्ठा तार सब सम कबू न मानवा मत्सरतावा से तुम्ही जडरा से माझे छोछा दिया कीर्तन सौष्ठव दुष्ट माना तुम्ही किसेरा वैष्णव ताई दुष्ट माना निर्जन भजाना प्रचारी चौचले कुयोगी वैभव प्रभु सनातन परम जतन शिक्षा दिलो यहाँ चिंतो से सबा दष्ट माना तुम्हें कृष्णा वैष्णव सही दुति कथा बोलो न सर्वथा उच्च ईश्वरे कोरि हरि नाम रव फल्गु आर युक्त बद्ध आर मुक्त कबू न भवी हो एकाकार सभा दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसरा वैष्णव कनक कामिनी प्रतिष्ठा भगिनी छड़िया चे जरे से तो वैष्णव सही अनासक्त सही शुद्ध भक्त सासर सत पाए पराभव दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव यथा योग्य भोग नहीं तथा रोग, अनासक्त से की कार कहाब, आसक्ति रहित संबंध सहित, विषय समूह सकली माधवा, दुष्ट माना तुम किसेरा वैष्णव, से युक्त वैराग्य ताहा तो सौभाग्य, ताहा ये जड़ते हरिर वैभव, कितने जहार प्रतिष्ठा संभार, ताहार संपत्ति केवल कैतव, दुष्ट माना तेरा वैष्णव, विषय मुमुक्षु भोगेरा बुभुक्षु, दोये तजो मन दोये वैष्णव, कृष्णेर संबंध अप्रकृत स्कंध, कबू नहे ताहा जडेर संभव, दुष्ट माना किसी किसेरा वैष्णव, मायावादी जाना कृष्ण तेरा श्रमाना, मुक्त अभिमान से निंदे वैष्णव, वैष्णवेर दास तव भक्ति आस, केनो वादा की हो निर्जन आहवा, दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव, जय फल्गु वैरागी कोहे न निज त्यागी, सेना पर कब होते वैष्णव, हरिपद छाड़े निर्जनता बारे, लबिया की फल फल्गु से वैभव, दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव, राधा दासी रोही छड़ी भोग आहे प्रतिष्ठा सुना है कीर्तन गौरव राधा नित्य जाना ताही छाड़ी माना केनोवा निर्जन भजन कैतव दुष्ट माना तुम्हें केसरा वैष्णव ब्रजबासी गान प्रचारक धान प्रतिष्ठा विभुक्षु तार नय सव प्राण आचे तार से तुझ प्रचार प्रतिष्ठा सहीना कृष्ण गाथा सब दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव श्री दैत दास कीर्तने ते आस करो उच्चैश्वर हरे नाम रव कीर्तन प्रभावे स्मरण स्वभावे से काले भजन निर्जन संभव दुष्ट माना तुम्हें किसेरा वैष्णव हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे दुष्ट माना हरे कृष्ण बोलो हरे कृष्ण जिसको पढ़ना है ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ ले।